Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Runway AI to create educational videos quickly and easily, even if you're a beginner. So first, what is Runway AI? It's an AI-powered tool that helps you create videos using text, images, and simple editing features. You don't need advanced skills, just your idea. Now let's get started. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Go to the Runway website, create your free account, and open the dashboard. Step 2. Use text to video. This is the most powerful feature. For example, if you're making a science video, you can type Earth rotating around the sun, educational animation, and Runway will generate a video clip for you. Step 3. Create multiple clips. Make short clips for each part of your topic, like introduction, explanation, and conclusion. Then combine them in the editor. Step 4. Add voiceover. You can record your own voice or use AI voice tools. A clear explanation will make your video more engaging. Step 5. Add text and subtitles. This is very important for learning. Highlight key points so viewers can understand easily. Finally, export your video and upload it to YouTube. Quick tip: keep your content simple, clear, and visually interesting. That's the key to a great educational video. So yes, with Runway AI, you can become a creator and share knowledge in a powerful way.